Welcome to my channel, Luxury Car 001. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe, a full-size SUV that's turning heads with its bold design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. If you're someone who values power, comfort, and capability, then stick around, because this Tahoe might just be what you've been waiting for. The first thing that stands out with the 2025 Tahoe is its updated exterior. Chevrolet has refined the design to make it even more aggressive and modern. With a reworked front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted grille, the Tahoe now looks sharper and more commanding on the road. The rear has also been updated, featuring sleek tail lamps and a redesigned bumper that adds to the SUV's muscular stance. Under the hood, the Tahoe offers a range of powertrains to suit different needs. You can choose from the 5.3-liter V8, the more powerful 6.2-liter V8, or the efficient 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-6. All engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and excellent towing capability. For 2025, the suspension has been enhanced, especially on models with the optional Air Ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control, giving drivers a much more refined and comfortable ride, even over rough terrain. Step inside, and the cabin is where Chevrolet has made some major strides. The 2025 Tahoe features a redesigned dashboard with a massive 17.7-inch infotainment screen, paired with an 11-inch digital instrument cluster. The user interface is smooth, intuitive, and highly customizable. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google built-in are standard, making it easier than ever to stay connected on the go. Material quality has improved too, especially on higher trims like the High Country and Premier, which now feature premium leather, open-pore wood accents, and ambient lighting. Space has always been a strong suit for the Tahoe, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. With seating for up to 8 passengers and plenty of legroom in all 3 rows, this SUV is ideal for families and road trip enthusiasts. The cargo space is generous as well, with power folding seats to make loading easier. Whether it's luggage, sports gear, or groceries, the Tahoe handles it all with ease. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Tahoe comes with Chevy Safety Assist as standard, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keeping assist, and a following distance indicator. New for 2025 is the optional Super Cruise hands-free driving system, available on select trims, which brings a whole new level of convenience for highway travel. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe worth considering? Absolutely. It's a perfect blend of style, technology, and power, backed by a reputation for durability. Whether you're hauling your family, towing a trailer, or just cruising in luxury, the new Tahoe checks all the boxes. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching Luxury Car 001, and I'll see you in the next one.